How to transfer TikTok shop balance to Gcash. The first things first is access your TikTok account and head directly to your user profile, which is going to be the three lines at the top right portion of your screen, and head directly to your balance. Now, before you do this method, make sure that your Gcash has already been connected or set up from your TikTok shop. If you haven't set it up yet, you'll have to go to your Gcash and bind it over to your TikTok account for you to be able to withdraw money or any coins or balance that you have from your TikTok shop directly goes to your Gcash account as a withdrawal method. So for you to be able to do that, say for example, you have a certain live rewards here. So just press on live rewards, and in here you just have to input the specific amount on how much you would like to transfer a specific coins from your TikTok shop balance to your Gcash. Once you have entered the amount, just hit on withdraw and you will be given out all the payment methods you have. Just simply choose on Gcash and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you transfer TikTok shop balance to Gcash.